Let's do a quick pharm review over statins. So medications in this class include simvastatin, lovastatin, pravastatin, and notice with those generic names, what do we end with? Statin. So that makes it so easy whenever you're trying to identify these medications. This class of medications is very helpful in treating patients who have high cholesterol because what they can do is they can help lower the LDL, which is the bad cholesterol. They can help increase the HDL, which is the good cholesterol, and they can help lower the triglyceride levels. Plus, if a patient has some fatty plaques in their heart, because we do not want those to rupture, if they do, it can lead to a myocardial infarction. So statins can actually help in some cases stabilize those fatty plaques. And how this class of medications work is that they inhibit an enzyme known as HMG-Coa reductase. And by doing this, we cannot convert mevalonic acid and activate the mevalonate pathway. So cholesterol is not really synthesized. And whenever we can't do this, we help lower our cholesterol levels. Now, some side effects of these medications include sore muscles, but you want to make sure it's not progressing to a condition known as statin-induced rhabdomyolysis, which I'll talk about here in a moment under nurse's role. It can increase liver enzymes, it can cause GI upset, and increase glucose levels in patients who have type 2 diabetes. So the nurse's role includes monitoring for that statin-induced rhabdomyolysis, and that can present with an increase creatinine kinase, dark urine, and kidney damage, because what happens is as those muscles start to deteriorate and break down. Inside your muscles is a substance called myoglobin. When that goes into the bloodstream, eventually everything in your blood has to go to your kidneys to be filtered. Well, your kidneys don't like myoglobin and it stresses them out. So what happens is that it damages the kidneys, and that's why you get the dark urine. So you want to be monitoring for that. In addition, make sure the patient doesn't take this with grapefruit juice. It can lead to increased toxicity, and monitor those liver enzymes like the ALT and the AST. Okay, so that wraps up this video over cardiac medications. If you'd like to watch more videos in this pharmacology series, you can access the link below.